When the taps run dry and the city panics, you've got 72 hours before things get truly ugly. No water means no toilets, no hygiene, no cooking, no calm. But here's what nobody tells you. Your body can outlast the chaos if you know the rules. Hour 1. The realization. The faucet sputters, then silence. You check your phone. Every post is the same. No water? Anyone else? You look out the window. Your neighbor is checking their pipes too. That's when it hits you. Whatever caused this, infrastructure failure, cyber attack, contamination, doesn't matter. What matters is math. The average person uses 80 to 100 gallons per day. Your body needs half a gallon minimum just to survive. Now you have 0, and every second you stand there in disbelief, you fall further behind. The 3 ways dehydration kills you. Your body is 60% water. Every breath, every step, every thought burns some of it away. You lose water through urination, sweating, and simply existing. Dehydration hits you in stages. Stage 1, thirst, irritability, dry mouth. Stage 2, dizziness, confusion, bad decisions, the kind that get people killed. Stage 3, organ failure. Your kidneys shut down, your blood thickens, your heart strains. You have maybe 3 days if conditions are perfect. If it's hot, forget it. If you panic and start sweating, you're already losing. Hour 6. The hoarding begins. The stores are stripped clean. Bottled water, gone in minutes. People fight over half-empty cases. But here's what the hoarders never understand. Water is everywhere, just no longer convenient. Your water heater holds 40 to 50 gallons of drinkable water. Your toilet tank, not the bowl, holds 2 to 3 gallons of clean water. Ice cube trays, forgotten bottles, that decorative fish tank in your living room, it all adds up. Drain your water heater now before everyone realizes the same thing. Turn off the power, close the inlet valve, open the drain valve at the bottom. Just like that, you've secured days of survival while everyone else is fighting in aisles. Hour 12. Ration like your life depends on it. Half a gallon per day, that's your baseline. Sip, don't chug. Chugging wastes water, you'll just flush it out. Stop sweating. No workouts, no heavy lifting, no unnecessary movement. Your body is now a biological water preservation system. Treat it like one. And stop flushing. Every flush burns 1.6 to 7 gallons. If it's yellow, let it mellow. If it's brown, use a bucket of gray water. That's not being disgusting, that's being alive. Day 2, the hygiene collapse. Everyone smells. The bathrooms smell worse. But hygiene isn't about comfort anymore. It's about preventing infection. Use baby wipes or damp cloths only on critical zones. Hands, face, armpits, and groin. 1 wipe per area. Never flush them. Hand sanitizer becomes your lifeline. Use it before eating, after touching anything communal, after using the bathroom. Because here's the truth. Diarrhea in a water crisis is a death sentence. It dehydrates you faster than you can replace fluids. Day 2. Finding more water. If you're desperate, water still exists. You just have to work for it. Rain gutters after a storm, swimming pools if you purify them, rivers, ponds, streams, even puddles if you're willing to filter and boil. Hierarchy of survival. 1. Boil it. Kills almost everything biological. 2. Filter it. Removes dirt, parasites, and most bacteria. 3. Treat it. Bleach works. 8 drops per gallon. Mix, wait 30 minutes. 4. Sunlight. Fill a clear bottle and leave it under direct sun for 6 hours. UV radiation destroys most pathogens. Not perfect, but better than dying of thirst. Only use if you have literally no other option. Day 3, the breaking point. This is when most people crack. They're dehydrated, scared, irritated, confused. They start making reckless choices. Some drink unsafe water and end up sick. Others fight neighbors for supplies that ran out yesterday. Hospitals are overwhelmed, toilets overflow, the city smells of abandonment. But you rationed early, you controlled your sweat, you found hidden sources before the crowds. You stayed calm when everyone else panicked. You're still thinking clearly, and that's everything. The secret nobody tells you. Survival in a water crisis isn't about finding more water, it's about needing less. Your body is a closed system that runs on discipline, not luck. Every drop counts, every decision matters, every mistake costs you moisture. You don't need a bunker, you don't need a year of supplies, you need 72 hours of rational decisions while the city loses its mind. When the water comes back. And it will. Infrastructure gets repaired, pipes refill, life pretends to return to normal. But you'll remember who lost their mind and who didn't. You'll remember that survival is rarely about strength. It's about preparation, knowledge, and refusing to panic when everyone around you collapses. If you made it 72 hours, you didn't get lucky. You won.